Have you ever run your fingers through your hair and suddenly paused, alarmed by how much hair is now tangled in your hands? Or maybe you woke up this morning, looked at your pillow, and noticed strands of hair that weren't there yesterday? It's a moment many of us experience, but few talk about. And if you've started to see your hairline creeping back, don't panic. You're not alone. The average adult has about 150,000 strands of hair, and it's normal to lose around 100 every day. But when that number spikes, or your scalp begins to show more than you'd like, it's time to take action. Hair loss doesn't just affect our looks. It can dent our confidence, impact our mental health, and leave us stressed out, which ironically makes it worse. But what if I told you there are natural, effective ways to fight back? Remedies that don't rely on harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Instead, we're going to tap into 10 powerful, proven natural tips to help you regrow your hair right at home. Stick with me till the end, because these tips could transform the way you feel about your hair. And before we dive in, tell me where you're watching from and what time it is right now in the comments section below. I love seeing how global this community is. Also, if you find this helpful, smash that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on natural health tips that work. All right, let's get into it. Tip number 1, onion juice. Yep, you heard that right. Onion juice. Now I know it sounds a bit gross, onions, on your head, but stay with me. Onions are rich in sulfur, and sulfur is one of the key components your body needs to regenerate hair follicles. Studies have actually shown that applying onion juice to the scalp can stimulate regrowth in people experiencing patchy hair loss. It also fights bacteria and fungi, keeping your scalp healthy and infection-free. Here's how to do it. Blend 2 onions until smooth. Strain the juice using a cheesecloth. Massage it into your scalp in circular motions. Let it sit for an hour, then wash it out with a mild shampoo. Do this once a week. Yes, the smell isn't great, but the results? Worth it. Tip number 2, reduce stress. Hair loss isn't always about what's happening on your head. Sometimes, it's about what's happening inside it. Stress can literally push your hair follicles into a resting phase. A few months later, boom, your hair starts shedding. It's called telogen effluvium, and it's a real thing. You can fight this by adopting simple, stress-reducing habits. Practice daily meditation or mindfulness. Take walks in nature. Journal or talk to someone. Exercise regularly. Even 20 minutes a day helps. Calming your mind calms your follicles. Tip number 3, coconut milk. Forget expensive conditioners. Coconut milk is the real MVP. Packed with niacin, folate, and vitamin E, it nourishes the scalp, improves blood flow, and strengthens your roots. To use, warm the coconut milk slightly, massage it into your scalp for 15 minutes, then apply it through the rest of your hair and leave it on for 45 minutes. Rinse with regular shampoo. Do this weekly. Your hair will thank you. Tip number 4, eggs. They may smell awful, but eggs are pure protein magic for your hair. They're full of B-complex vitamins and minerals that strengthen your roots and encourage new growth. Here's the recipe. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Whisk it all together. Apply with a brush or your hands. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. Do not use hot water unless you want a scrambled egg situation on your head. Tip number 5, aloe vera. You probably know aloe vera is great for sunburn, but did you know it's also a powerful hair regrowth agent? It contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, unclog follicles, and promote healthy new hair. Just extract the gel from an aloe leaf, apply it directly to your scalp and hair, and let it sit for an hour before rinsing. Do this 2-3 times per week. Tip number 6, Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is one of the most ancient natural remedies from India, and it's still relevant today. It contains fatty acids and antioxidants that boost blood circulation and fortify your follicles. You can use amla oil twice a week. Warm the oil slightly. Massage it into your scalp. Leave it overnight or wash it out after 1-2 hours. Make sure to buy pure amla oil for best results. Tip number 7, head massage. You don't need fancy oils or products. Sometimes, all you need is your fingertips. Massaging your scalp daily for just 4 minutes can significantly improve blood flow, stimulate follicles, and encourage regrowth. If your hair is thin, be gentle. You can also use coconut, almond, or sesame oil for added nourishment. This is simple, free, and surprisingly effective. Tip number 8, lemon juice. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, B, and antioxidants, perfect for scalp health. To use: mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice with 2 teaspoons of coconut or olive oil. Apply evenly to your scalp. Leave for 1 hour. Rinse with mild shampoo. Do this once a week and feel the freshness. Tip number 9. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV balances the pH of your scalp, fights bacteria, and removes buildup, clearing the way for healthier growth. After shampooing, mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water. Use it as a final rinse. Don't rinse it off, just let it dry naturally. This is especially useful if your scalp feels itchy, oily, or clogged. Tip number 10. Garlic. Yes, we're ending with garlic, another kitchen hero. Garlic is rich in B6, vitamin C, selenium, and other compounds that promote hair growth and fight off scalp infections. To use it, cut a garlic clove in half. Rub directly onto affected areas. Leave on for 30 minutes before washing off. Warning, always patch test garlic first. It can cause irritation for sensitive skin. Now that you've heard these 10 powerful natural methods, which one are you most excited to try? Or have you already tried one of these before? Let me know your experience in the comments. Your story could help someone else. And again, don't forget to drop a comment below with the country or city you're watching from and what time it is there. I love hearing from this incredible global community. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next health hack drops.